Sorry.
70 years old man.
Here is God. Oh.
Hey! But we're 30 old. You can see the economy.
Is this I don't see what you do for them?
Do what?
That phone you collect.
Okay, what do you mean?
From our own street.
See, I don't like it.
Wait,
you are serious. What did I do?
Thunder go fire you for me better. If they don't call you today.
Okay, leave me alone. How did I do? You are telling me.
Who will want please? They didn't wait, please. Wait there.
Hey.
What did they find? What did you have?
Hey.
What did that?
I found my phone.
Your phone? Where is it? Where keep up?
I put that here now.
That's the number. That's the number. This guy will be that.
iPhone.
Sir? Now this thief collect that phone.
I am who I too much.
Now this.
I didn't take any phone.
Now even road to go to I cannot do.
Me and you settle. You won't give me bribe. Father, 11 father, get in your bribe. If thunder no fire you for you, let's just better. Enemy.
They never show you say be mumu. Sorry, oh.
What is very bad?